Full disclosure, no grandkids were harmed in the filming of this video. If you're interested in a toolbox, birdhouse, or a serving tray, visit jimmysworkshop.com or walmart.com. You can get them online. You can find them in the Walmart stores. But let's get started on today's build. All right, come on, get up here. Open it up. Here you go. Here. Open it up. Grab it. That up. Take it off. Take it off. Yeah. Trash. Is that trash? Put it in the trash can. That ain't the trash can. Alright, take the paper off. You peeing? Are you peeing?
What a jerk.
Alright, Jimmy said we need wood glue, sandpaper, and a small saw. I don't think we can do without that. We're gonna do something different. Let's see. Yep, we got the sandpaper. You got sandpaper? Yeah. And the wood glue. All right, we're ready to go. All right, ready? Here we go. Stow it. Good job. Hey, what you doing? What's your song? Good job. All right, we got them all cut out. Let's get to sanding. Start sanding. Let's start sanding them. Sand it. I'm not doing it for you. Sand it. There you go. Sand it. Sand that side. All right, now we need the wood glue. Where's the glue? Oh, it's over by the saw. Hand me the glue. Get the glue. I don't want the saw. Give me the glue. That. Give me that. Get it. Get it. Lean over there and get it. Give me the glue. Grab it. Yeah, not the saw. Yeah, that's gonna cause bad vibes there. I'm gonna get a lot of comments for that. How about handing me the glue? I'll get it myself. Get up, let's put this thing together. Okay, ready? You ready? Good job. Fist bump. Good job. Yeah, it looks good, buddy. It seems like it's missing something though. All right, little man, that's a lot of scrap wood. What we're gonna do with that? Brilliant! Yeah, that should work.